got ourselves a bearing inside here. The housing on the bearing itself is broken, so we gotta pull all this off, swap that bearing out. The sprocket over here is getting worn out. Causing the machine to jump and throwing chains. So getting that kind of swapped out right now. So do a little maintenance, we'll do some downtime and kind of get things taken care of ahead as best we can. Get rolling. But it's the unfortunate part of things is try to run things best you can, but if you don't have maintenance, you got repairs, and right now we're in repair state, so do the best you can.
What's up, Sam?
Morning.
It's afternoon.
No, it's not. Look at your clock.